Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda and we are here with a video about accepting my skill level in art. I'm going to start a new series where I go through the stages of learning or rediscovering my enjoyment for art, because if you guys have been following me for a while you'll know that I have had so much problems at trying to just be happy in the way that I do my art and what kind of things that I create. So if you want to follow on with this series, I suggest that you give this video a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe, as well as turn the notification bell on so you get notified of all the videos that I post. I am increasing my videos soon, so that would be handy. Handy? Yeah, that would be handy. So yeah, I think the first thing that is really important to get what I want is to accept my skill level, and what I mean by that is that when I grew up doing art, I mainly did portraits, and I just did portraits and graphite, and I didn't really experiment, so I got relatively good at the portraits, but I just kept on doing them and doing them and doing them and didn't stop. So every other subject that I did, landscapes or character design or just drawing objects in general or people interacting with things or full bodies, didn't come naturally to me and I couldn't do it, so I just didn't do it. So it's like starting from the beginning again, because I haven't practiced any of these items, and that's okay. It's okay to be bad at something and good at another thing. If you're bad at it, the only way to make it better is to do it, and that's what I want to do, because I want to broaden the way that I draw, and I think that I really want to do illustration, but I need to be able to do full bodies and to do objects and backgrounds and things like that. But I've always been too scared to do it, because my channel could suffer with it, because I would just be putting out bad drawings a lot of the time. But again, that's okay, because this channel has always been about the journey and growing together and learning. So that's why I want to start this series. I want to show you guys from the very beginning of me learning something all the way to the end and further, because obviously when you're learning art it doesn't stop, it always progresses more. So I thought that would be a cool series to do, and with the knowledge that I don't know how to draw a lot of things, I think that I should start to gather some information, and I've already started to do this. I've started to make playlists on YouTube of tutorials on how to draw things. I've started to gather some Skillshare tutorials as well. I'm not sponsored by Skillshare, I don't get paid to say anything or whatever, but if you do want to join Skillshare, I do get 2 or 3 months from it. If you want to do that, it's up to you, but you totally don't have to, obviously. But I have found that Skillshare has been a help to me, and I really like following a class and then getting an assignment at the end, and I kind of missed out on that because I didn't go to school for art. And when I did go to school and I took art as a subject, it wasn't really my plan to begin with. I just did it because I thought that it was fun. So me doing this means that I'm going to learn a few things, and I want to pass on the information that I learn to you and obviously show you my progress. And I think that doing this will make me more accountable for it as well. So I'm really excited to start doing that. In this video you will see me drawing some things in my sketchbook, just rough things, not anything that's supposed to be something, no concepts or anything like that, but a lot of just sketching and practicing objects and people and facial features and faces and things, because I'm trying to put out the whole portraits that I used to do out of my mind, because they were very static. They were just down to the shoulders and then just doing a normal expression like smiling or just having no expression at all. So I kind of want to put that stuff out of my mind and start again with the way that I draw. I really want to draw it in a more cartoony style, not too cartoony, more like semi-realistic, but in my own way. And there's going to be a lot of struggling and practicing to do this, but I haven't been practicing or doing this, and it's really thrown me back a bit in terms of learning what I want to learn, and I just feel really sad all the time that I can't draw what I want to draw. But again, the only way to be able to draw something is to do it, and I haven't been doing it, so obviously I can't draw it. And I just want to be in a place where I'm happy with my art and share it with you guys, because I haven't really mentioned on my art channel too much, but on social media I have been complaining a lot about how I don't know what to draw, I don't know where I want to go with art, and I'm at the brink of giving up, and I don't want to give up, so I'm doing things now to try and stop me from giving up, and to practice the things that I want to learn how to draw, and study artists that I like, and also get myself more out into the world and experience things. There's a couple of artists that I want to mention in this video. The first being Shmoo Draws, and again, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I absolutely adore her, but I like the way that she picks up experience from her life and she draws it, and I want to be able to do that, not so much because I want that to be the only thing that I do, but I want to be able to visually journal something that happens in my life. I want to be able to draw myself, my son, my partner. I want to be able to draw things that we interact with, my outfits, my clothes, stuff like that. I just want to be able to do that. I don't know why, but I just find it so appealing to me. And then after that, I want to be able to draw other people interacting with things, because if I can draw myself and my family interacting with stuff, then obviously I can then kickstart my way of drawing other people interacting with things and create illustrations and concepts out of that. I don't know if this is making any sense, but it's something that I need to do, and I really want you guys to come along with me to be able to do it. So I hope that you guys like this idea, and if you're struggling with any of this stuff as well, comment it below, tell me how you are dealing with it, or if you struggled with it in the past and are over it now, tell me how, because I would love it. But I think that just pushing back all the stuff that I know and starting from the beginning, it's almost like I am picking up a pencil for the first time. Because even though I know certain things and I know how to draw things, and I am good at drawing things, especially from references, I feel like I am starting from the beginning because I'm heading in a new direction. I'm not going towards the realism anymore. I'm not going towards trying to get the likeness of somebody. Well, I am in the long run, but at the moment I just want to create characters and create my own worlds and have people interact with other people in that world, and have people interact with objects that might be in that world, and have people interact with plants that might be in that world, and all of that stuff. So I think that this is the best way to go. I hope. I don't think there's anything else I can do, because if I continue doing what I'm doing now, which is just drawing something that I feel look nice and then watercolouring it or whatever, then I don't really feel like I will get anywhere. And I want to get somewhere with my art, not as a career, but, well, as I do in the future, I do want to have a career in art, but for right now I want to have it as a hobby that I enjoy, because if I don't enjoy it and I go straight into the career aspect, then obviously I'm not going to be happy. So I want to be happy with my art first before I push it any further. I think this is starting to get repetitive and jumbled up now, so I'm actually going to end this video here. So thank you so much for watching. Please tell me what you would like to see in the comments below. If there's anything that would be a part of my journey that you would like to see, then tell me. I'm planning on getting books as well to help me learn stuff, and if you want to see reviews or me working from those books, then again, tell me. But yeah, I am going to end this video, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.